Want to cancel NFL Sunday ticket? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. To cancel NFL Sunday ticket, you'll need to navigate to the platform where you purchased it. So if you have purchased it from YouTube TV, then go ahead and open up any web browser. Then head over to tv.youtube.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on the profile picture. Now select settings. Under membership, you want to find your NFL Sunday ticket subscription. Go ahead and click on manage. Now you will find the option of cancel. Tap on that and confirm your cancellation. If you have used YouTube Primetime channels, then you want to head over to youtube.com. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the settings icon. Now select the option of purchases and membership. Here you will find NFL Sunday ticket membership. Go ahead and click on manage membership. Now click cancel and confirm the cancellation. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.